For interior spaces, it is always best to avoid the use of chlorine bleach. It has the toxicity issues associated with it, as well as the possibility of damaging adjoining surfaces. The ideal solution is a hydrogen peroxide-based mold remover, which has proven mold kill properties, as well as stain removal properties. Today we're going to be using the Actichem Mould Remover. It is an ecolabel GECA certified mold killer based on hydrogen peroxide boosted with a secondary mouldicide. The product is safe on nearly all hard surfaces. For marble, natural stone, as well as non-ferrous metals such as brass, bronze and copper, always pre-test in an inconspicuous space to check for chemical sensitivity. We're also going to be needing a scrubbing brush and a clean white towel, and of course the correct PPE. In this case, it's going to be glasses and gloves. Step 1 is to apply the solution. First, we need to apply the solution, in this case the mold remover, to the affected area. You will see the mold remover start to fizz on certain areas, and this is where the mold is. This is your hydrogen peroxide reacting with the organic mold matter. It is an excellent visual aid to visually see where the mold is present, as mold is not always apparent and visible to the eye. Step 2, agitation. Now agitate the affected areas with a scrubbing brush. This will ensure that the solution comes in contact with all of the mold mass. Although some areas may be difficult to scrub, may not be able to be reached, where possible, agitation will certainly make a big difference. Step 3, the dwell time. Leave the mold remover to dwell for at least 10 minutes. Dwell time is a very important point to ensure success. This will allow the solution to fully reach and eradicate the mold, hyphae and the spores. Step 4, wipe down. Wipe down the area with a clean, dry, soft cloth until the cloth comes up clean. Do not add more water in this step because excess moisture simply leads to more mold growth. The residual moisture of the mold remover is designed to be safe for substrates, humans and pets. Step 5, finish off right. Finish off the job by lightly spraying the Actichem mold remover to the treated area and wiping away the excess moisture. This ensures that what remains on this surface is fresh Actichem mold remover. This will guarantee a complete kill and will retard future mold growth. And there you have it, a safe and clean environment for your family. Repeat this process for areas with particular high infestation. Additional dwell time and agitation may be required for stubborn mold staining. Another thing is that the Biosand wipes are an excellent choice for mold removal of smooth surfaces such as Venetian blinds, windowsills, etc. And a good to know fact is that the RG615 mold remover is also a powerful TGA listed hospital grade disinfectant sold under the name of Actichem Peroxide IC. It kills a wide range of bacteria, fungi and viruses including the COVID-19 in just 60 seconds.